Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you my one application which I have developed for my learning tracking. Uh, I have I have set a goal to work every day on my skills and also to exercise daily, and I want to track it. Uh, if I miss any day, any activity, then I'm not going to add any note. And if I'm not going to add any note on the day for the sections that I have created, exercise, learning, LinkedIn work, the sections you can create anything what you want. I have to select the date on which I have done the task. Just need to add a note here. Okay, any note. It's not compulsory to add a large note. You can just add one word also. And once you say that, in the calendar we can see on which day you have completed which task. Okay, so these are all the sections, and I have also created one more section of for resources. The resources is section is for keeping our learning resources at one place. We can save here our URLs of websites or learning materials, and it will show us those URLs in resources section. Okay. In calendar, I have created my schedule. This is just starting schedule for me. Every day, I have planned to work on my health for 30 minutes, on my skills for 30 minutes, and on YouTube work for 30 minutes, and LinkedIn for almost 20 minutes. But again, there might be a chance that I will be going to update this however I want. Here is weekly schedule, what I am tracking on every weekends, on monthly schedule, what I am going to track. See, here is the resources section, add resource. Okay, you can add resources for each sections, whatever you want. You just need to paste the URL here and add resource. Then it will show in this section. Also, one more thing here, this app is being developed using Streamlit in Python, and we are not using any database for saving all these records. So I am using JSON files to save these records so that I can host this application on uh, not only on instances or servers. So once I host this app on any cloud or any server, I'll show you the steps, and also we can host this app on our Python on our Windows system itself using NSSM. The steps I'll provide another video for that. So stay tuned and please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.